Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to journal trades on MetaTrader 5. Now, while MetaTrader 5 is a powerful trading platform packed with features, it doesn't include a built-in trading journal for adding notes and analyzing your trades. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple way to create your trading journal using the information available in your account history. This is especially useful if you want to review your performance, understand your trading behavior, and improve your decision-making over time. First, you want to launch your MetaTrader 5 application. Once it's open, navigate to the View menu at the top of your screen. From there, select Toolbox, or for a quicker approach, you can simply press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This will bring up a new panel that you'll use to access your account's trading history. The Toolbox is where you can find important platform information, including trades, account activity, alerts, and other useful details. With the toolbox visible, click on the History tab. This is where all of your completed trades are logged. Now, let's get more specific about which trades you'd like to review. Choosing the right trading period is important because it allows you to analyze your performance over a clear time frame, such as a day, a week, a month, or a full trading cycle. Right-click anywhere within the History window. A small menu will appear, giving you options to choose a date range for your trades. You can select from preset ranges such as last month, or you can create a custom period if there's a specific time frame you're interested in. For example, you might want to review only the trades from a recent strategy test, or focus on trades taken during a specific market condition. After you've set the date range, right-click once again in the History window. This time, look for the option that reads Report or Save as Report. Choose this option to save your trading data as an HTML report. This report gives you an organized export of your trade history, making it easier to review your results outside the platform. Save this file to a convenient location on your computer, where you can easily access it later. Once the report is saved, open it in your web browser of choice. Here, you can view all the details of your completed trades. You may want to save these reports in folders by month or strategy, so your trading records stay organized and easy to compare later. This report gives you a solid foundation, a record of your trading activity in MetaTrader 5. However, to keep a truly detailed trading journal, we need to incorporate additional information that MetaTrader 5 itself doesn't capture. This is where a spreadsheet or a journal app comes into play. A trading journal becomes more powerful when it includes both numbers and personal notes, because your mindset and reasoning are just as important as the final result. You can create your personalized trading journal in either format, whichever you're more comfortable with. In your spreadsheet or journal app, consider recording significant details about each trade. A spreadsheet is great if you like filters, formulas, and performance tracking, while a journal app may feel easier if you prefer writing detailed notes and reflections. Start by noting the trade date and time, as well as the specific currency pair or financial instrument you traded. Make sure to note if it was a buy or sell order. Include your entry and exit prices, and make sure to record your stop loss and take profit levels. These details help you measure whether you followed your plan and whether your risk management was consistent. Perhaps most importantly, document the profit or loss for each trade. Beyond these basic details, delve into the thought process behind your trades. Include notes on the trade setup or strategy you used, and specify your reasons for entering the trade. You can also write down whether you entered because of a trend, breakout, support and resistance level, news event, or another technical or fundamental reason. As you review each trade, take the opportunity to reflect on the lessons learned. Understanding what worked and what didn't can significantly enhance your trading skills. Try to identify patterns in your behavior, such as entering too early, moving your stop loss, closing trades too soon, or taking trades outside your plan. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive trading journal at your disposal, providing you with valuable insights to refine your trading strategy over time. The more consistent you are with journaling, the easier it becomes to spot mistakes, improve your process, and build confidence in your trading decisions.